Not only is failure an occupational hazard, but it's a prerequisite
for success.
You have to say to yourselves, have we failed enough? I got made CEO of a business that was generally considered to be unfixable.
And did you fix it?
Yeah, we fixed it.
It's Chris Hirst. He's the Chief Executive of Grey London, one of the UK's leading advertising agencies.
And we're now joined by Chris Hirst, the CEO of
Havas in Europe, Chris Hirst.
And my role is I am the global CEO.
Chris is a leadership expert, global CEO.
Over a decade of experience.
Selling author.
No bullshit guide to career success.
Chris Hirst.
Chris Hirst.
Principal. And welcome, Mr. Chris Hirst.
In the lexicon of business bullshit, I think a lot of what we're being sold and told is just snake oil. It's bullshit.
So my belief about leadership is
It's difficult but not complicated. All people-based businesses are comprised of only two things. One is talent and the second is culture. Real culture is the behaviour of leadership. I think culture is the environment the leader creates to enable their teams to outperform.
and I think one of the ways to think about culture is to think of it like concrete, okay?
Over time, that concrete sets. If you want to break that concrete, you've got to hit it with a sledgehammer. And we did physical things. We took a sledgehammer to the concrete and smashed everything. And it was pretty scary. And in reality, you can change culture. But to do it, you've got to take hard physical action to do so.
So if you create an effective culture, it's virtually uncopyable.
If you only remember two words,
Leadership impact is clarity multiplied by action.
no matter how great your clarity is, if your action equals zero, then
You achieve zero impact. What is clarity? Well, clarity is all the things, it's strategy and values and mission and culture.
and ambitions and objectives and many, many, many other things that fall into that bracket. And by the way, they're all really important. I'm not disparaging them.
But you have to multiply that by action.
What is your number one leadership tip?
Get shit done.
Leaders fail because they don't act.
And the way we take action is we take decisions. There is an embedded feature of success. You literally can't succeed without making errors.
And I think a great way to think about this is called the 40-70 rule.
Don't take action if you have only enough information to give you a less than 40% chance of being right. But if you've waited till you're more than 70% certain, then you've waited too long. If you don't act, you guarantee failure. All the time you like debating what the strategy is, but ultimately what you have to do is somebody has to get off the arse and go and actually do something.